Why do we snore? Snoring loud, rumbling, or hard-breathing sounds heard during sleep. Snoring is usually harmless and is quite common. Many healthy people snore. If, however, the snoring reaches a point where it closes the ears and disturbs others, then this is now considered uncommon. Snoring refers to the vibration of the airways through the nose and mouth. The vibration can occur through the nose or both. Tissues in the airway are more common, and at night they relax, the airways become narrower, and as a result snoring. We often snore when we have cold because of obstruction in the nasal passages. Then we breathe through our mouth, which causes negative pressure behind the opening and the soft palate, and this helps to create the sound of snoring. Snoring may be caused by nasal congestion.
For more such content, like and subscribe to our channel.